Howdy, howdy. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm gonna try to make it short, sweet, and simple. Um, I've spent the last hour just browsing your freaking properties on here, man. It's freaking sick. But anyways, what I'm gonna talk about are the key elements to ranking organically. Now, I'm assuming you're kind of a realtor. I'm not sure if these are actually your houses or like you're working with like a realty company or agency, but it's all the same stuff, man. So check it out. Does ranking number one on Google increase sales? Yes. Most business owners dream of ranking number one on Google because the reasons are clear. Reaching the top spot or even one of the top three spots would mean increased traffic to your site, visibility, and the potential for sales to catapult your business ahead of the competition. Unfortunately, high rankings rarely happen by chance, which means they don't happen by chance. Okay? So this is how you stand out from the other guys, man. Number one is that map listing, Google My Business, right? And that anchors you in the town you desire to rank in, right? I'm not sure where yours is. I'm sure you do have a map listing somewhere. I just don't know your address, right? So anyways, number two, citations. Okay, I'm gonna go back to that map listing. That map listing was what built trust with Google. Okay, you're on Google, or you want to be on Google. You're on Bing. You know, you want to optimize that map listing. Pictures, content, fill out all the services, all that stuff, man. Reviews, all that stuff. Okay, you want to geotag your pictures and name your pictures before you upload them. Anyways, number two, citations. Citations equal NAP info. What they're going to do is they're going to be citing your NAP info. I'm sorry, citations. Okay, NAP means name, address, phone number. So when you get your GMB, assuming you have one, if you look at it, let's go look at somebody else's real quick. See the order it's in? It's a name, address, phone number. It has to be in that order, and then you can add your address. Okay. So they're going to be citing your NAP info on different business directories, realty directories, right? Different internet sources, like social media platforms. You can get directories or citations from like the local chamber of commerce, right? Just all kinds of different places around the internet pointing at your NAP info, right? And citing at it. Number three, content. This is the words on your website. It must be authoritative and relevant to the searchers. Quality content generates high CTR, click-through rates. And Google considers your click-through rate as an important factor to rank your site. Okay. Now, this is the words on your page. Now, it doesn't really matter what you look for. You can look for court. You can look for film. Wikipedia is usually going to pop up on top because they always have the most content, the most authoritative and relevant content on a subject. So it doesn't really matter what you're talking about. You know what I mean? You can talk about your listings, your leases, property searches, anything that you're trying to rank or you sell, any service that you have. Okay. You talk about just content, just adding a whole bunch of content, right? Not just videos. The videos and pictures are cool, but they need to go onto your map listing, right? And then your website needs to have content because the content, the actual words, is what the Google critter bots crawl, okay, to see how relevant you are to somebody looking for or searching for, this real estate, right? I mean, you could be using Zillow, you could be using these other Zumper or whatever, but still, if you want to stand out, right, you utilize these key elements, right? And you'll start popping up when someone types in, realty agency in Malibu or Malibu luxury real estate, right? Backlinks. Backlinks are like votes from other sites. Okay. Back in the day, a page with a lot of links would rank higher. There's some truth to that, but not all links are the same. You have 13 backlinks. Okay. If I type in like realty agency in Malibu, let's see what these guys got. 63. Okay. So these are just some key elements to ranking organically. If you have any questions about anything I just said, please feel free to reach out. Okay, I'm here to answer questions. Thanks for taking the time to watch this.